What is going on, everyone? Can everyone hear me okay? Is everyone able to hear me okay? What is going on, everyone? Can everyone hear me okay? Yeah, okay, cool. Looks like you guys can hear me. For those of you guys who don't know who I am, my name is Kyle McChesney. I am the co-founder of Slap Stocks, and I do these little Sunday stock talks where I like to talk about what's gonna happen in the markets the coming week. So just to kind of start off, what we can talk about here is we can talk about the futures. We can talk about S&P 500 and how they're doing right now. So they actually opened down when we were waiting for everyone to join in here. I was watching this. We actually opened around here. We were like down 7 points. Now we're actually down 3.75, which is nice seeing. Um, if we can continue to keep on making a move upwards, that'd be pretty sick. But we really need to break up here. We need to break this 37.47 level. If we can break 37.47, we should go back up to 37.53. Um, but some things to look for is gonna be the Joe Biden. He's gonna be taking the president seat soon. So the market may be adjusting for the next couple months on what's gonna happen for his first 90 days. So we may try and price in some potential movements from him. But as far as I'm concerned, we could have a Biden rally as well, meaning that as soon as he takes office, we'll just be able to launch. But the only thing with that is that Biden has to fulfill the roles that the economy wants him to. Will he be able to do that? Maybe. If he doesn't, then expect a massive fall to occur. If he's able to give what the market wants and sustain it at a good level, we should be able to continue in a perfect uptrend with ease. With ease, as long as he does what the economy wants. And again, the second he doesn't, it's gonna fall hard. It's gonna fall hard. So just be careful with that. But yeah, I want us to hold above 37.45. If we can get above 37.45, 37.45.50 and hold, let's look for us to start making the push back upwards to 37.55 for to get to 37.70. And if that happens, target over here is already looking for the bullish move upwards. We called it here. We bought some more here and we let it ride here. We're up like $100 on 3 contracts right now. So our goal is to get up to 180 right here, which is very doable, as it's showing nice strength upwards here. If we can break above 177, that's the only thing. If we can break above 177, we should go to 180 with ease. But yeah. Other than that, write down some ticker symbols you guys want me to look at, and then yeah, I'll review them for you guys. But while you guys are gonna do that, I'm gonna get some water real quick. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Um, that's good, Michael. Let's see. We got GameStop, Disney, Planter, Bingo, PSTH, Dogecoin, of course. Doge, yep, Doge. Okay. Um, yeah, let's start with GameStop first. So, if you know anything about GameStop, your major people who own this right now are these people right here, Wall Street Bets. This is your community right now that owns a lot of GameStop because they just feel like owning it. But let's see here. Let's see if we can look at GME stock. Where is it? Where is something I saw that said that Wall Street Bets owns like more than 10% of GME stock, which is kind of hilarious. But Yeah, so people have been betting on this big since it crashed hard right here. And it's eventually been going up steadily. It's been moving nice. The PlayStation and stuff have definitely been helping with them. What else? It is bouncing nice here. Honestly, they did have earnings. They did do well on their earnings, but they did drop hard. Probably due to bad guidance maybe, but they did recover that easy. Right here as we see. Um, it's using old resistance as new support, so that's good. If we can see it get above 20, look for it to start pushing upwards to the 23 level. But if it can't break 20, yeah, if it can't break like the 20 level, look for it to continue to drop. And if it flushes below this level right here, 1857, look for it to come back down to around 17 before the next move upwards again. Let's see what else. We'll do Disney. So Disney actually had an insane pump up as we see there. Um it's starting to consolidate really nice right here between 180 and 184. So what we can do is we can draw like a little box around there. And like right here we'll say to right there. So what we want to do is we want to typically look for the break out of this box. And if we can break above 184, we should be able to run upwards for some more all-time highs all the way up to maybe 190 to 200 possibly. Once everything opens up more as well, Disney stock will go up. Like once everything's in full like go mode, you know, Disney should go back up. Honestly, I could see Disney to 200. That's very doable. But it needs to break out of this box first. If it doesn't break out to the upside above 184, look for the break below 180 for the drop back down to around 175. Let's see here. So let's see here. If we wanted to, we could go from here to here. And if it drops back down to 172.20, 172.30, that's your GP zone, so we can look for a nice bounce upwards there. And if we can hit it, that'd be awesome. So be on the lookout for that stuff as well. But yeah, really just look for this break in the box here. Below 180, look for 175. Above 185, 184, look for 185 to 190. Planter, PLTR. PLTR has actually been in a downtrend here lately. It's kind of funny. Let's see. We can just see here. Just have this going on. If we wanted to, yeah, we'll just leave it right there. We have that going on there. What else? We have this level right here. Raise this up a little bit. Right there. Okay, so we see that we have a break in support here, and we can see here that this break in support is now acting as a new resistance, so which confirms a healthy downtrend of old support tends to become new resistance. So we see that happening here, and then we got that clear rejection through this break right here of 24. Now we're dropping to support level of around 2350. I'd say, yeah, 2350, 2353 to 55. If we break below 2350, look for this to continue to flush down to around 2127. But if it can if it can kind of consolidate in this area like it did right here, look for it to kind of just bounce right back up to around 2510. Look for the break above this resistance level too. If we can break above this, it should make its way back up to 28 for the upside. Let's see what else. We can do Vingo. What is this? Bio Nano. San Diego. Nice. Revenue is 2.2 mil. Okay. What do these people do? News. Let's see. Let's switch my screen over. Let's see what I'm seeing over here. I'm gonna look at. News. 1/2/21. So it looks like it just had a rally of news that came out for it. Oh yeah, look at all that news. It's a lot of news for it. Let's see. Let's see, what does their most recent news say? Let's see. I don't see anything. Okay. Last two trading days. $1 per share price. So this doesn't even look like it was on the trading question. Is this an OTC stock? Oh, let's see. Click trade. Let's see. No, it's not an OTC stock because it doesn't cost commission. Okay, that's weird. So it looks like they got an extension to be listed on the NASDAQ and starting in the final trading session. So it looks like they're trying to get put on the NASDAQ. So, this could honestly be a good hold. Let's see if it can get a nice retrace. I'd say. It's been pumping up. It is stopping a little bit. Let's see if it can come back down to around $3, $3 to $3.50. If you can retrace to around that level and then bounce again, this could go up to potentially $5 to $7, I'd say. Let's see what the level 2 says. So it looks like people are... Huh. Interesting. The stock actually is up $1. No, it's up, what is it? It's at $4 now. Oh, actually. The stock is up 92 cents after hours. Okay. So when this opens tomorrow, it's going to open up at around $4. You can see here that people are trying to get out around $4.10. So be on the lookout for that. I didn't even know that. So it closed at 308, but in after hours it went up to a high of $4. Yeah. So people want to sell out in this area right here, around 410 to 456. If it can get past 456, start looking for it to keep on going upwards. But yeah, That's what I gotta say for Dina. Yeah, it looks like there is some nice news coming out for it. So just keep an eye on that too. Um, let's see. What else do we want to look at? PSTH. Pershing Square. Never heard of this company. Let's see. Let's see. So I just want to see some Google Trends. So I mean, the word itself is kind of going up in searches alone due to the stock as well. What do these people do? I have no idea what this company is to begin with. Let's see. Finance. The way it moves alone, I don't like it because we can see here that 25 to 26 to 27. I mean, it did find nice support here at 21. It is going upwards in a nice uptrend. Well, resistance becomes new support. It is honestly moving nice. The only thing is, it moves very slow. So, options wouldn't be your best bet for this stock. But I say if it continues its uptrend, look for it to go to around 29 to 30 before it comes down again. If it consolidates right here, look for it to stick between 28 and 27. If it gets below 27, look for 25. But yeah. Let's see what else. XPEV? What is XPEV? Hmm. Oh, this came out an hour ago. Reports monthly delivery of 5,700. So they're a vehicle company. XPEV. They're kind of going down. That's funny. Let's see. XPEV. A Chinese EV manufacturer. Do they got any pictures? Whoa, these cars are pretty sick. Hmm. There's some pretty sick cars, honestly. XPEV. It's at 42 bucks right now too. It went to a high of 77, but then it came crashing down. This could honestly be a decent stock. Let me do some more. Let's see, XPEV. Let's see here. Let's look over here. Is there any options for it too? There are. Are they good options? Let's see. I don't think so. Nope. I can't actually tell. It's kind of weird. Let's see. They honestly don't seem like a bad company. Earnings per share seem brand new. Those cars look sick. Sales per share, so they are. Once they get positive, they should be chilling. Like I said, they're brand new as well. They don't pay out dividends yet. Next earnings is March 15th. I'd say this is definitely a must watch for a long term hold. I really like this for a long term hold. Because, I mean, those cars look sick. Like, if we just wanted to look at the cars, like, here, let me pull up the cars again. Like, just look at these cars one more time. Like, these cars are sick. It's a Chinese manufacturer, so they're going to be competing with NIO. You got to think about NIO as well. Now they're not the only stock. And actually, let's compare these two real quick. Let's just go to charts here real quick. Let's grid. I'll just load up features real quick just so we can pull them up. XPEV. No, XPEV. And then we'll look up NIO. Yeah, look at that. These companies almost go side by side. XPEV has honestly been doing better than NIO, looks like. Let's see, $20 stock back on 11.2. They're just right there with NIO. Be on the lookout for this stock. This stock is honestly not too bad. It just needs to gain some more traction. But look at the share volume difference. This one has 73,000. This one has 344,000. If XPEV gets more momentum, this could be a very good stock. I'm gonna keep this on my watch for sure. Above 44, just so I don't forget about it. And we'll do below 41 right here. And if it breaks there, we'll go to 38. Perfect. So I got my alert set now for that one. But for the technical side, yeah, I want to see it break above 44 bucks. If it can break above 44 bucks, I'll definitely look into this for a long-term run, because this could be awesome, especially with how NIO has been lately. This is a good find. Alright, I'll keep moving on. Let's see here. Dogecoin, fine. If I must. So, get Doge on 15 minutes ago. So obviously we all know Doge has had an insane run up lately. Just went from 0.005 all the way up to a whole penny and some. But it's eventually come back down again. Dogecoin in the end is just a meme stock. You have to keep that in mind. If you wanted to throw just some play money into it, go ahead. It's at a penny. So worst that'll happen, you know, you lose that money that you didn't care about. But it does have some serious developers behind it, but again, they're not super serious. But the fact that Elon always tweets about it and he said that cryptocurrency, he envisions cryptocurrency to be the next currency from Mars, and just how much we all know how Elon is, just knowing him, he may make Dogecoin the main cryptocurrency there. So just kind of be careful, be on the lookout for that. So like I said, if you have money to throw in, just throw it in. If you lose it, just remember you're gonna lose that because it is a meme stock. But if it does go up based on Elon and everything else, you could be looking at some decent profits. Okay, let's go on to Baba. Honestly, once Baba dropped below here, I haven't cared about it too much. Because then it just flushed below all possible levels here. And now it's back down to these pre-levels here around June 20th. During COVID times almost. So, what I'd like to see it do, though, is start finding a little consolidation within this area here. I want to see a break above here first. This gap area. This gap fill is going to be hard for it to break, in my opinion. We need to break this gap in order to go back up to those levels. But right now, it's still going down. If we get a flush below 228.58, look for a drop back down to 220. But if we can manage to break upwards and get, I'd say, above 230, 233.80, 234, look for 235 to 238. But yeah, honestly, Baba's been having a rough time lately. It's just been not cutting it lately, so just be on the lookout for that. So we got Baba. I talked about Neo. I'll talk a little more about Neo. Since we're talking about XPEV and Neo, I'll just go back to those two real quick. Since you guys want Neo as well, I have Neo up already. So with Neo, it is making a nice push up here. So right here, we do see a nice trend happening. If we can continue that, that'd be awesome. You want to be careful of any possible resistance, such as here, that could be forming. You have to be careful with anything such as that. Let's see. Let me see something. Actually, never mind. It's not even worth it. Yeah. Honestly, let's see. Flip levels will go from low to high. So okay, so yeah, we got the 0.600 level here. It's not the 0.5 here. If Neo can hold 48.63, I would just grab some shares and long it, hopefully for it to go to the upside of 60 again. But I'd say look for it to drop back down to around 46.19 before getting into it, because it then hits the support level here, which is also on the GP bounce right here at the 0.618 level. So around 46.19 would be a good entry for you to reach back upwards to around 48 to 49, hopefully for the break above 50. It should be 16. But yeah, yeah, be on the lookout for that. Um, what's the interior look like of the XPAV cars? Let's see. Let's see. XPAV interior, car interior. Oh, these cars are actually kind of sick. I'll pull this over. I would totally get that. What's a Tesla? What's a Tesla? I'm getting this. This is sick. 33,000 to 50K. That's not bad for an EV vehicle. Looks almost exactly like a Tesla though. That's the only thing. But it is sick. I think I say it has better interior than a Tesla. Let's see, do they have any other pictures? They got suicide doors. Oh my god. That's hilarious actually. That's so funny. But yeah, these are some pretty cool cars. Huh. Okay. That's Wish.com Tesla. Let's see, what else do you guys want? I can talk about Hog. What is Hog? Harley Davidson. Um, everyone loves bikes. Let's see though. I actually can't even look at that on that. It doesn't look good. We'll go back over here. Honestly, Harley Davidson did not do bad during COVID. Wow. They actually went insane. They did pretty well for a nice bounce. That's awesome. Let's see. Yeah, and they're getting right back up to what they originally were at. They went down a 15, 16. That would have been an awesome grab. Holy cow. Let's see. Yeah, this could honestly be a really nice recovery stock. If it can break above. Does Harley Davidson pay dividends? Let's see. I'm gonna laugh if they do. Be awesome. Mm, they do. 40% per share. Wow. They used to be $1.50. Wow. $1.15 went down to 44 cents. It could be a good hold, honestly. You just buy a couple of them and it pays for itself after a while. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe. It's definitely something to keep in mind. Let's see what else. BIGC. We'll look at BIGC. I've never heard of this company either. Let's see. BIGC provides an open software and service platform for cross-channel commerce, big commerce. Okay. They probably already had a boom, I bet you, with the e-commerce boom. What do their earnings do? Show me your ends. Let's see. Does this dude have earnings? It's not bad. I want to see it. Oh no, we're looking at the wrong stock. I'm stupid. I'm actually stupid. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's a little different now. Okay, let's see something now. Yeah, it kind of looks like they already had their move a while ago. They just kind of, yeah, look at, see, they had their move during the e-commerce boom right here. But I honestly think this is a dead stock. I wouldn't invest in this, really. Kind of just a falling knife. And if you really want to, you could just play puts all the way down to maybe 60 if it breaks below 63. Below the 63, look for around 60. But if it manages to make its way back up, look for it to break above 66.74, because then you'd be back within the balance. You'd be back within its value range right there. So right now it's currently out of value, and if it goes lower, then this value will drop. But if it come back into value, that'd be nice to see. So just kind of be on the lookout for that. But I would leave this alone because it's just been in a downtrend the whole time. Let's see what else. OSTK Overstock. Overstock I actually like. Overstock is not a bad stock really. It's actually, we can see here too, it's just coming back down to the value right here. To just right below the value range. Value level. Can get back down to 45.58. Look for it to moon. I mean, hopefully. Around 42.56, my bad. Let's see though. Did break below support of 50.22, so yeah, look for it to kind of just drop back down to previous support right here as well. Right around that 42.53, 42.5 level. If it can get above 53.18, that'd be awesome, but be careful if it rejects 50.7 because then it would be showing. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in for you guys to see here. Right here, cool. Careful with this. So if we reach back up to 50.64, let's see if it can retest this old support level. If it retests this and it drops, then it's holding this old support as new resistance, which means that it'll keep on going downwards. But again, if we can break above this resistance line and use it as support again, we should be able to hold back in this range right here. And then above this, look for around here. Let's see what else. Alright, I'll only do a couple more and that's it. I'll do BXG. What is that? BXG. Blue Green Vacation Corp. I've never heard of these people. Penny stock. Okay. Last news they had was December 10th, 2020. Navy Corp announced sudden rise of victory of timeshare owners. What? Looks like something that has to do with vacations, but they look like they haven't even been doing well since they came out, really. I mean, what? Came out 2017, 2018 was their high. After 2 years, they've just kind of died since. And let's see what happened with them with COVID. Yeah, look at that. They're at 10 cent. They're at $10, and then they dropped to 3. I mean, they've recovered back to 7, but is 10 or is it ever gonna break above 10 to 12? Maybe. I have to know. I have to know more about the company first, though. Let's see. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at too. Hold. Hmm. They pay dividends. They pay 26 cents per share. That's actually amazing. You make money. Well, how often do this company pay you out? They just started too in 2018, 2019. Let's see. I actually may load up on this stock just for the dividend itself. It's a lot. BXG. Adding this to the watch list. Because of its penny stock, or because of its dividends. Dividends. Perfect. Okay, let's see here. There we go. Now we got that one. Yeah, honestly, this company could be really good for dividends. It's $7.94. You buy 100. For every share you own, you get paid 26 cents. You have 100 shares, you get paid 26 bucks. How often do they pay though? That's what I want to know. Let's see, BXG. Actually, can I check here? Let's see here. What does Google say? So it looks like they pay out every quarter. So it looks like every quarter you get paid. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, I may have to grab some of this stock. Just for its dividends. They paid you 35 bucks for 50 shares? Yeah, I'm gonna snag some of this stock for sure. This is a very good find. I like this one. I mean, it's free money. It's free money. It eventually could pay for itself. And like I said, the stock, it's holding, which is good seeing. So as long as it keeps holding, it should just keep on paying for itself. I mean, what do these people do? I want to know a little more about them. As a leading vacation ownership company, manages resorts in the top leisure and urban destinations. So I mean, maybe if vacations come back, they could come back to life and eventually raise dividends even more. I honestly could this stock could be nice. I'll keep an eye on it. I may grab some just because of the nice dividends that it pays out. But I mean, even at the charts itself, it is nice. I mean, yeah, even with the charts, it is holding very nice. If it can hold 7, that'd be awesome. I may grab 50 to start out, 50 shares to start out, maybe 100, and I'll size into this one. If I could get paid at least like 200 to 500 bucks in dividends a month just from the stock, that'd be awesome. But I'd have to time it out to look more into it, like I said. But yeah, if it comes back down to 750, that'd be awesome. If it can hold 7 and go back to 8, that'd be sick too. So I'm definitely gonna keep this eye on watch. I've been liking these finds right now lately. Let's see what else there is. GTAC. I already don't like it. I don't like the way it looks. It just doesn't look good. Let's see. It went from $2 all the way up to 12. 2 to 9, 2 to 10. That's insane. G-Tech, let's see, G-Tech. So this company does not pay out dividends, as we can see here. I'll show you. So right here, dividend per share, 0, nada, nothing. So does it even have options? I don't even think it has options either. Yep, no options. And it's been dropping hard. I'd say look for it to test 6.31, which is just above balance. You can hit here. Should be able to move back in this value range, should be able to shift upwards. So that way this is no longer its value anymore and it can be evaluated higher, be priced higher. But other than that, I really don't like this. Other than it, I mean, let's see. Yeah, see, this has just been falling. I'd say look for it to retest 6.22 first before anything. If it can break above 6, it can hold 6.22 and manage its way back. Look for it to hit 7. But yeah, honestly, I think that'll be it for this Sunday Stock Talk. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button. I hope, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Yeah, let's make some money.